fucking loud.
Like you're gonna call me Gomer Pyle at any second.
No, I'm not gonna call you Gomer Pyle.
No, you missed it. Full Metal Jacket, you know,
What?
Full Metal Jacket.
Oh no, I'm very familiar with the Full Metal Jacket.
Yes, the yelling dude.
Yeah, Gunnery Sergeant Hartman,
Yes,
played by
he
R. Lee
calls.
Ermey,
He calls. Is it?
Vincent D'Onofrio,
Yes,
Vincent
no,
D'Onofrio,
Vincent D'Onofrio.
D'Onofrio. Okay.
Gomer Pyle.
Yes,
Yes.
but that dialogue, most of which, by the way, apparently he was ad-libbing.
Hmm.
Right? You grabastic piece of amphibian shit. I will motivate you if a short dick's ever cannibal on the Congo. Like all that stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, that was him just like ad-libbing.
But you said you were yelling, so that's